How to fix turn passcode off is grayed out on iPhone. So if you want to fix turn passcode off is grayed out on your iPhone, then first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, if you scroll down, then you will have an option of Face ID and Passcode. So go with your Face ID, now enter your passcode. After entering, here you will have this kind of interface. Now you will have an option of turn passcode off. So this is grayed out and you won't be able to turn it off, right? So in this case, you need to first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and you've connected to an internet connection. After that, you can go back. Once you've checked your internet connection, you can go back, open up your settings, and again go with your Face ID and passcode, enter it, and now you'll be able to turn your password off. But still, if you don't find the option, or if it is not grayed out and if it is not grayed in, then you can open up your settings again, scroll down, go with apps, and from the apps you can select mail, and under mails you can select account. And from here, if you've added a Gmail account, then you need to delete your Gmail account from your iPhone. If your mail is connected, simply delete the mail and it will fix your problem. If the second solution also doesn't work, then the third solution is to restart your iPhone. So simply tap on the settings app again, and after scrolling a bit down, you will have a general section. Tap on general, and under general you need to scroll down and you will have a shutdown option on the bottom. You need to tap on shutdown, and after shutting down or after restarting, your problem will be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then under general you will have your software update. So if you have any software updates, you just need simply go and update your software, and after updating, the problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.